right, so I'm going to show you how to tie on your tie-on waist beads. These are the permanent beads, not the elastic beads. So these are the permanent beads that you will be tying on your waist. What you will need, of course, is your waist beads, some scissors, and a container of some sort to catch the excess beads. All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to find our waist where this indent is. That is your waistline, where your waistline begins. And that's where the beads are going to sit most of the time. And so you're going to take it and put it around your waist in the back and decide where you want these at. You know, whichever is your personal preference is up to you. But I want to have them right here in this area here. So what we're going to do next is kind of place them there and let any excess beads just fall away on either side. But at the same time, you want to keep pulling any beads back so that you don't have any gaps in between your beads when you tie it on. So make sure it's tight on both sides, here and here. I'm going to need some more beads because I want it a little bit closer, I think. Let's see. So that might be good. So next what you're going to do is you're going to cross your strings together, make an X, and then take one string and go up underneath and tie it down. All right, so we've done that. And next what we're going to do, because sometimes these beads will slide to the other side and you don't want that. You want to keep the beads on which side they begin on and stuff, because these beads, they little fast little things, they like to move and stuff. So get them beads back down. On the right sides. Okay, and I'm still continuously, you know, making sure I'm pushing beads back so that there are no gaps when these are tied on you, because then it won't be the way you want it to. So we made our X. We tied it as possible, as tied down as we can. Let's see, no gaps. No gaps as we're pushing back. And next you're going to cross over and make another X. Make sure you keep it taut, the string taut and such, and make another X. And instead of just doing one loop through, we're going to do 2 loop throughs this time. So 1, and this is called a surgical knot. It lasts a little bit better than just a single knot, so it's like a double loop in. So take the end of that, put it 1 loop in, get all those beads to go down, and then take it again, go through that loop 1 more time. All right, get those beads to slide back down again. Because those beads are not conducive to this part of the process, because we don't want them beads. We got the beads we want up here at top. So, okay. So now this is tight, taut on both sides. There's no gaps. You got your 2. And so you're just going to tie it down and just make sure you keep that taut all the way through, because if not, you will end up with some gapping, and we don't want that, right? See, I got a little bit and I got that part, but that's all right. This will be okay. We will work with it. Get that. It's not too bad. And it's going to hang like right there. And so next, what we will do that process one more time. I like to do it a few times just so I know, like, hey, these are going to be straight, tight. Okay, so we're gonna make that X again, pull one end through, and then pull that same end again for a second time. And make sure those extra beads out of your way. And you're just gonna tie it down. And then I like to just do a single knot, like one through the loop a few times. Do it one more time. I like to do it at least 3 or 4 times to make sure my knot is very secure. And if you want to secure it even more, you can actually use glue or take some fire, like a flame to it as well. But next, after that, what you're going to do is where you have your knot at, you don't want to cut the knot, of course, but this is, you're going to cut at least 1 centimeter away from there. And there's your extra beads, your excess beads you're not going to use. And like I said, you can take some glue, like some nail glue or whatever, and just dab it over the hole where the knot is there, and dab it there, and that'll secure it. But I like to use a flame to mine, but I'm not going to show that on camera. But I'll probably take a lighter and just burn it. Don't burn it to where it's your skin, of course, but just this is nylon thread, so it's kind of got like some of that tacky bond to it, so it'll just start melting down and it'll make it even more secure. But once you do that, you just shape it to where you want it on your body, and there you go. That's it. Hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends so that you can keep updated with what's going on with the Epiphany Dreams Life. All right, see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.